Going on, guys? What's good? What's good? What's good? Um, Here, let me start up the live trading immediately. Let me see. Setting up the live trading. Turn up here in the premium because the thing is, I'm getting a reading in the market. It's just I have no setups yet, so I'm not really in a rush. Plus, we do have news at 10. So we're gonna see how that goes. Let me see. Because the thing is, we took out the liquidity to the upside, but now if we take out the liquidity to a downside without us getting a setup, wait, actually, hold on. Wait. I might be able to cook something up here on the 5-minute. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I would have to see. Hold on, let me start up the live here over in the premium and see what we can work with. Here, let me join up. Yo, what's good, everyone? What's good? Bro, what? Bro, Seth, come on now, bro. First message. Anyways, okay. So we're back. You know, for those that don't know, we didn't trade on Friday, because I was on a small trip, but we're back. All right. So coming into market open, I'm gonna say I'm kind of liking it, but I'm kind of not because we're like in a tricky spot, right? And here's what I mean. Right. So here, let me start up the screenshot. Let me show you guys. So. Obviously, you guys know the market opened up gap down yesterday because of the tariffs, right? Now, with us opening gap down because of the tariffs, we don't really have too much liquidity to the upside. And the only liquidity to the upside that we had, we just took it out like 5 minutes ago, right? Which is the London high at 272. Right. So what we could do here is obviously we're not going to be bullish. We've taken out every single level of liquidity, the nearby liquidity at least, to the upside, to the point where looking for longs is not going to be in our best interest at all. Right now, why is the market selling off? Well, obviously, you know, as I said, we took out all of the liquidity to the upside. There's no more interest any higher, so all of the interest is going to the downside. Right. So how exactly can we get a setup from this? If on the 5-minute and on the 50-minute we don't really have anything to work with, well, we kind of do. Right. But the only thing that worries me is with all this selling coming in right now, and especially with us having news in about 13 minutes from now, which we're going to have to wait for. What we could do is, since we took out this high up here, we obviously we took it out. We're trying to form an MSS. We swept liquidity and everything, and we have liquidity to a downside. Obviously, we want to be more bearish than we are bullish. Right now, longs is it's not even in the radar, pretty much. You know, we're not going to be looking for longs anytime soon, at least for now, right? So what I want to look for is I want to see if this 5-minute imbalance here can hold. I'm pretty sure it's 40 points, right? Yeah, 66 points. Yeah, so that's perfect, right? So what I want to see here. Wait, hold up. Before I do that, let me put up the YouTube chat real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. Literally 2 seconds. Let me put this out in the chat. Okay, let me put it on this chat as well. All right, bet. All right, we're good. Anyways, back to what I was saying. So with us selling off, we kind of have this. The setup is there already. Like we took out liquidity. We have a deal of sweep. We're forming the MSS. We have the selling coming in. We have a gap. I mean, what more can we ask for? The thing is not only do we have news in 10 minutes, which can really, really mess us up, or it can really help us out. Not only that, but with us selling off so hard, I know that we don't have too much liquidity here, but you know what I mean? It could put more risk in our setup. You know what I mean? Usually when we're nowhere near liquidity, you know, in our price targets, it's a lot easier to ride the trade down. But if we take shorts right next to liquidity, not only will we have a small price target, but you know what I mean? Like we can get stopped out at any given time the second we sweep. So we're not gonna make too much. That's if we even are green. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see. This candle closes in 30 seconds, or 35 seconds. I'm really hoping we can hold up some sort of an imbalance that we could probably work with. We should. I mean, the selling looks pretty strong here. I don't see a reason on why we should pull back up. You know what I mean? And we should, for the next 10 minutes, I'm really hoping we could chop up around this range, and we could take out this liquidity or maybe this one. But I'm gonna be worried because I don't want to trade upside. And the problem is when the market takes out both buy side and sell side liquidity, it's really, really, really complicated to know what levels we can work with because we don't know who's in control, right? I mean, both liquidities to the upside and to the downside got taken out, right? So we're gonna see. Anyways, right here, I'm really hoping we don't get any sort of a pullback. I'm actually hoping we kind of chop out until news comes out. But the problem is when news comes out, we either have to be really quick and get a very, very risky entry, or you know what I mean? We have to wait for the news to come out and we miss the entry. That's the problem, right? Is there not a setup? Yeah, I've been explaining the setup. Yeah. So we're not looking for an inverse right now, though. We're looking for a continuation model, which is the same thing. You know, we're looking for the same confirmations, just a different entry. So instead of usually us, you know, looking for an inverse off some bullish fair value gap since we're bearish, since we don't have anything bullish right now, we do have a bearish fair value gap right here, right? So what I'm looking to do is I'm hoping the market can kind of slow down around this range with the anticipation for news. Hopefully we don't take out too many levels of liquidity. We could take out this one. Worst case, we take out this one and we can still trade for lower. But what I would want to see here is us retrace in the next 5-minute candle. I want to see for us to retrace into this gap. Maybe we can take some sort of a very, very, very risky entry. And if news is in our, you know, plays in our favor, we can definitely trade this all the way to the downside, right? So worst case, guys, I mean, we have, at least for now, you know, I mean, we still have 4 minutes into a setup. But for now, we have everything lined up. The problem is if we do get an entry, we're going to have to take this extremely light at first. Why? Because news is coming out. We don't know what the news wants to do. We know what the bias is in the market, and we know what the market wants to do, but the news can really mess everything up. You know what I mean? So we're going to see. But regardless, what we're looking for right now is I want to see if this imbalance can kind of, like I said, I'm expecting chop for the next 10-ish minutes. So what I would want to see here is to see if we can get some sort of a retracement into this gap, right? We sit there for, you know, like a few minutes, whatever, we get an entry. And once we get that entry, we can take it into the news. How much is extremely light? For me, I usually, oh wait, we're getting some buying here. Hopefully we hold this up. I'm fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Yes, on the other hand, yeah, it's doing the same thing. We don't have too much of an SMT here, which is a good sign. I'm just hoping we don't get too many buyers out of nowhere, because then this gap is going to be too small to trade, and we're probably not even going to have a gap, right? And if we don't have a gap, then, you know, I mean, we're going to have to wait a lot longer, and then the whole market becomes a headache, right? So fingers crossed, fingers crossed. But we can still work from this. We can still work. All we need is, like I said, all we need is kind of a rejection off this, and then we just take shorts into the internals for now. The internal liquidity. But we'll see. Do you use things like book? No, I just read price action. Just candles. But yeah, as you can see, obviously we know that sellers are in control. I mean, the model is telling us. You know what I mean? Once again, we took out every single high that we created overnight. You know, not including the gap levels, but just every nearby high, we've taken it out, right? So with us taking out every single high, the market is not really interested in going any higher, especially with the gap above. That's something that fills in its own time. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Fingers crossed. In the next 2 minutes, we don't take out any liquidity, and hopefully we can get some sort of a retracement into this up here, so we can take some starter positions into shorts. But for now, I mean, the sellers are in too much control to the point where it's going to be a little bit tricky because, like I said, if we take out both buy side and sell side, we don't know what the market really wants to do. We can get an idea depending on the volume and the strength, but we don't know. We don't know for sure. If anything, bro. Anyways, if anything, we could like even if we do take out the nearby liquidity, we could still be more interested in shorts because we still have a lot to take out to the downside. Now to the upside, we really have nothing to take out, like at all. Like I mean, there's a huge gap here, and you know it's like 300 points or so, maybe more, like 400. So we're not interested in that right now, right? But our best case here is actually maybe if anything we can create a fair value gap on the way down here. ES on the other hand is also selling off really nice. We have news in 5 minutes, so or 8 minutes or 7 minutes or 6 minutes now. So we could let's see what we can do here, because we still have time to kind of like think it through and see what's like the cleanest. Obviously, but the bearish bias is the cleanest one to read, but we got to see how we can trade into it. Because I'm pretty sure we're forming a gap here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we for sure have a gap here. Another one that we can use to our advantage. The thing is, as much as I would want to see an inverse around here, since we are taking out the downside liquidity, I don't want to look for it. You know what I mean? I kind of want to stick to the bearish bias for a little bit longer, depending on how sellers step in. But we'll see, because at the same time, ES also hasn't taken out this London low at all. Well, we're about to. I mean, we're like 2 points away, so we might as well. And the sellers are strong. So if anything, guys, worst case, I don't know. I was gonna say we could probably use the imbalance here, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna hold up either way. So yeah, no, you see. So good thing we didn't really do anything off that. Sizing when we go in. If anything, for now, if we get something before 10, which I don't know. I mean, if we get a retracement, if we get a retracement now, like into here, it will be starters. So I would do like half of my size usually. So I do 10, and then I will do like 5. But yeah, what I'm looking for now is I want to see if we can get some sort of a mini pullback into this small gap up here. I don't think we have anything on the 15-minute. Yeah, no, it's actually really ugly. So the 5-minute is gonna have to do for now. Now we might get pushed down a little bit more just because ES is like there's like think of it as like a magnet. Like ES, this 5,960 level is like a magnet. It wants to get taken out, right? So we have so much selling, and you know what I mean. Like before we get a pullback, we're more than likely gonna take this out. The only thing that worries me is if we take out this low down here. I know although we have not too much liquidity to the upside, if not at all, like we don't have almost anything. Hold on, let me do something real quick. Let me see. Hold up, because I'm trying to like. There you go. Okay. Anyways, I just don't want to look for any sort of of any inverse. Wait, are we gonna retrace me? Oh yeah, we. Oh shit, we are. Okay, I wasn't paying attention for like a split second. Now, if we do get the retracement here, obviously we're gonna have to wait for like about a 20-point sell-off. The only thing is, since we took out this New York low, I don't know if it's gonna be a sweep because it's not a super strong level. It's kind of just like a bounce, but I don't know if it's gonna. Why did I put my stop loss for 2 points? What the hell? I'll do like 25, maybe 30. Since I'm doing like, I'll do 30 just for a starter position. But we are getting a retracement here, bro. What? Yo, what? What? Like, put. Okay. Now let's wait. We're in. That's the thing. Look, we're inversing it off the bat. You see what I mean? There's too many buyers right now. Well, actually, no. We're kind of rejecting from it. Maybe we can get an entry here soon. Hold up. Hold up. Wait, guys, we could probably get an entry here soon because we are getting a beautiful rejection here. If anything, I'll put the stop loss at the top, and then. Let me see if I can take short here. Because we are getting everything like super, super good. The thing is, I don't know if it's too late to enter. Let me type this all up just in case. Yeah, no, it's way too late. I was typing up the alert because obviously I need to put it out. But I don't know. I really want to enter around here. I mean, that rejection was literally like it was literally perfect. The thing is, we have news in 2 minutes. So do we wait it out? Do we take it? You know what I mean? It's super risky. So we don't know what's going on yet. So I want to say, what do you guys say? Do we take a starter position and we wait for news, or do we wait? Let's wait. Or yeah. Because right now, as good as shorts look, and as much as I want to take it, I'm worried that you know what I mean. Like, I really want to press that button. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like shorts here looks so good. The game plan is literally lining up perfectly. We have the bias. We have everything lined up super, super good. But it's just like if news comes out just a tad bit bullish, we're out. I mean, they're starters. To be fair, they are starters. So it's not gonna be the end of the world. You know what I mean? We're probably gonna lose like $100, 200 or so. Nothing crazy. Which we can make back in the next trade, you know, worst case. But I really want to take shorts around here. I really, really want to take shorts. I kind of want to say fuck it and answer. I mean, it's a starter position. You know what I mean? Like, it's not going to be the end of the world, if anything. I mean, if you guys don't want to take it, you don't have to. But I really want to press the button. And ES is looking like it wants to go lower. I just don't know if it's something I'm going to regret. Okay, if we push up a little bit higher, I'll just wait for news. Okay, guys, if news comes out bearish, I wouldn't say just be quick with it. Because obviously the market's not gonna wait for anyone. I'm just kind of worried because if we get an A entry or we miss the entry, it's all over. Look at yes, like it's so bearish. I just want to press the button. Okay, news is coming on in 4 seconds, guys. All right, be ready. Be ready if anything. Be ready if anything. I'm just scared it's gonna push down, bro. Okay. Oh well, that happened. You see what I mean? That's what I was worried about. Regardless, I mean, we wouldn't have taken trims either way, but Ah, man, as much as I want to take shorts, I can't. I can't yet. You guys see, you guys saw what I mean? Everything looked lined up so perfectly. Yo, what the fuck? How many people do we have in this live? Yo, what? Bro, since when were there so many people here? Bro. Okay, what's up, guys? I didn't even notice. Okay, anyways, that's not important right now. That's not important. Anyways, okay. So like the thing is now, if we take shorts, it's not even gonna be like there's no point of taking shorts because sellers don't even look that interested. You know, like we're pulling back up, and it's oh man, I hate trading this situation. Because now, if we go back up to where we wanted to enter, you know, it's not even going to be that promising because buyers are stepping in. We're pulling this back. It's a whole headache. So, if anything, we can wait for the next setup. Maybe I just wanted to give you guys something early today. It would have been beautiful. How many points would that have been if we did catch it? 60. Damn. I'm not too bad about it. I mean, at the end of the day, I was respecting my rules. Now, the thing is here is now that we took out this London low over on ES, we're showing too much signs of buyers. But I think we can go lower. I really do think we can go lower. I just don't know where I would want to enter from. If anything, worse comes to worse, if we create another gap on the way down, which we should if we keep getting some more selling, yeah, 60 points. We should be able to get like a late, but I guess more understanding entry, if that makes sense. Like we just get more of a reading in the market. You know what I mean? I'll just be I guess more comfortable with this. Yeah, that trade would have been nice if we did enter. By the way, did anyone take the risk? Because I was going to. I was like a click away, but I just kind of. You did. You entered. You okay? I'm seeing a lot of you guys, bro. You guys told me to wait, and then you guys took it. Like, bro. No, I was kidding. But yeah, I mean, we're about to take out liquidity, which would have been the first price target. Now, I don't want to look for longs yet. At least yet. You know what I mean? Like, so I'm gonna kind of scrap this idea because obviously we're not gonna use it anymore. But what we could do here is if the selling still looks very, very strong, we could use this gap that we're creating right now to see if we can, you know what I mean? Bro, how many of you guys caught this trade? Wait, let me put a poll up because I'm curious. Hold up. Okay, guys, answer this in the chat real quick because I'm curious. Okay, I'm seeing. Okay, most of you guys said. I mean, I would hope so. You know what I mean? Okay. So 20 people took it. 25 people. Okay. All right, we're good. Anyways, so 15-minute IFEG. We don't have anything on the 15-minute, right? Oh yeah, well we have this one, but it's whatever. The thing is, because now we gotta wait to see the reaction off this level, and so it's a whole thing. So now we have to wait. You know what I mean? I'm kind of glad we didn't take this out. Like I know, I get it. It's a winning trade, and it worked out. We had other confirmations and everything. The problem is that I just wouldn't have felt confident taking it. You know what I mean? Like obviously, my job here is to give you guys the best of the best setups. You know, so that wouldn't have been exactly. It felt like a gamble. It was a gamble. You know what I mean? We're taking a setup like 2 seconds before news comes out. I mean, come on now. You know, we can't be mad at that. But it's good. It's good to know that you know our bias and everything was correct. And it was working and everything. Now, obviously, we just wait for the next setup. No one knows when it's coming, but you know, we'll just wait for it. All right. But in the meantime, we have 50 seconds into this candle. If we can create a gap here, the thing is, I wouldn't know what to look for because as much as my bias is bearish, technically we should be looking for an inverse if we create the gap here, since we took out both internal liquidities. So I mean, we could still target this high up here. It's not a horrible idea. And if buyers step in, we can always fill this gap above. You know, so it's not longs. I know I was kind of talking shit on longs, you know, like a second ago. But now that we took out liquidity and everything, longs, they don't look horrible. At least it depends if we hold this gap or not. I mean, if we don't, then we can't really do much about it. But in this case, if we can sell off in the next 10 seconds to like the 55 range, which we're probably not going to. I mean, wait, let's see. Yeah, no, we're definitely not going to. I was gonna say, but so far we don't really have a setup. So today's gonna be a day where we kind of wait. 15-minute inverse, I wouldn't take it. The reason I wouldn't take, I know you guys are talking about this inverse right here. The reason I wouldn't take this is because if you're looking to take this inverse, you're gonna enter too late. I mean, you would have been stopped out. You get what I'm saying? And the reason I say this is because if you would have taken this inverse, you're taking it right after a DOL sweep. You get what I'm saying? So it's a little bit like confusing here, right? So although the bias was bearish, the whole reason the bias was bearish was to take out the internal liquidity at 155. Now that we took it out, you know what I mean? Like it kind of makes sense on why we should be going back up, right? Because we took out liquidity. That's the whole reason the market went down, right? So if you would have taken this inverse right here, you kind of would have been liquidity, you know. So when it comes to like finding these gaps, you got to make sure there's no DOLs anywhere that will mess you up, just like how this one did. You know what I mean? Exactly. Exactly. Caught that 70 points for about 400 on each account. Nice, bro. Nice. If anything, bro, if you guys caught the trade, the risky one, get off. Just it's a good way to start the week. You know what I mean, get your small profits or whatever, or not small. That was 70 points, but just go. We'll see. But so far, the selling, I want to see the selling kind of still looks pretty aggressive. Buyers are trying to step in, but so far nothing. So far nothing. Now if the selling does come in aggressive, I want to consider this inverse, but I don't know. I feel like it's too late to take this inverse. You get what I'm saying? Like we already took out the DOL. Buyers trying to step in. It's kind of, it's kind of like it's just not high nothing so far. Nothing in the market today has been high confidence. That's like telling us like, hey, this is gonna play out. You know what I mean? Like sure, the bias on the 5 minute was very very clear, but setup wise, not really. Like entry wise, pretty much. Let me see. Let me catch up with the YouTube in the meantime. Uh, Hello, I'm just watching in. I was wondering if you have these posted after you're done streaming. Yeah, they're all posted on YouTube, bro. Yeah. Just click on my channel and then click on live or streams or whatever, and it'll all be there. Okay, there you go. Anyways, so far, I mean, it seems like sellers want to be more aggressive. So honestly, taking this inverse on the 15-minute is not a horrible idea. It's just not the cleanest one. We know that more than likely the market wants to go a little bit lower, at least into this London low down here at 110. But the thing is, ES already took out the London low, so I don't know. It's a little bit confusing. A big part of me wants to kind of wait to see if we can get some sort of a sweep. I know I said I don't want to look for upside at all. I kind of do now. I mean, it makes sense. We've taken out most of the nearby internal levels of liquidity to the point where we should expect a reversal. The thing is where can we enter the reversal from? Like the market, it looks really ugly right now. So as much as like setup wise, we have a setup to a downside, but bias wise, we kind of want to make sure we want to go up now. At least into this New York high up here at like 315 ish, 314, 315 around there. So we'll see. Let me see. Hey, I got denied a payout and was wondering what happens now. Does the money in the profit in the accounts get deleted? No, but you're fine. You're fine. The money will stay there. You probably just broke a rule. So they'll tell you why they denied it, and they'll tell you how to fix it. You just fix it, and then you request again, and then you'll have the money. You'll be fine. But yeah, no, the money doesn't get deleted. Don't worry. By the way, did you guys stack up on the 80% off? I'm low-key considering getting a little bit more accounts. I don't know. How was snowboarding? But that was so fire, bro. I'm going back on like the 20th for the weekend. Waiting for the 90% off, bro. You guys are like, bro, it's 80% off. You're like, just take it. I thought you maxed out. I am, but you can have there's a thing called reserves. You can have multiple, like you can have like 100 PAs. The thing is, you can only use 20 at a time. But you can have them there. Are you still in the... No, I'm not. I'm back at my setup. Yeah, you can have reserves. I have friends with like 40 accounts. They just don't use them all. So let's say, for example, worst comes to worst, the market goes against you for like God knows how long, and you blow up the accounts. You always have a backup. They're already passing everything. You just activate them. Do you still have to pay a monthly fee for the reserve? I'm not sure. I would say so. I'm not sure if you can activate it when you have the 20 accounts active. I don't know. Do a snowboarding vlog next time for real, bro. I was going to, and I got lazy. I'm just not good with cameras. So, can you pass me one trade? Yeah, you can. Yeah. Get a cameraman, bro. I guess camera shy, bro. Last we're waiting for an inverse, but I don't see an entry. How about okay? The thing is, like I said, sellers kind of still look aggressive, so a part of me wants to consider taking this 15-minute inverse. We have 4 minutes. You know what I mean? We have 4 minutes until we get it, or until we can't take it. Dude, I drank too much water. Like it's coming up. Anyways, like I want to consider taking shorts off this because my bias it's leaning still more towards bearish, just not as bearish. You know what I mean? Like I'm not as confident that we're gonna go lower into this London low, especially with ES taking out everything. But the selling does look really, really aggressive. So I don't know. If anything, I'll take this very light. Hold on. Bar. I'll target all of this. Let me see. Let me see what I can work with here. Hopefully we don't sell off too quick. Let me see. I don't know. I want to take shorts really badly. It's just so risky. So guys, if you guys hear me say that I'm in light. I'll be in very, very light. It's just the setting looks really good. I think I'm just gonna say fuck it and risk it. I just don't know. It's just it looks like very like hesitant, you know? Like the selling is there, but it's just not as confident because we took out the deal well. But all right, guys, I'm gonna enter shorts here, guys. I'm gonna risk it. I'm in shorts. I'm in very light, by the way, guys. I'm in very light. I don't know. There's just something about this that I feel like we can go lower. All right, guys. So I'm going to take this light. Take it light. So just in case it goes against us, since it's not super A+, you know, if it does go against us, we're not going to lose too much at all. You know what I mean? So take this with the light position, I would suggest. There's something about that 15-minute inverse that we're getting that I like. It's just the fact that the way that we're inversing and the way we're getting sellers and everything, I'm liking it. The only reason I'm not as confident in it is mainly because ES took out liquidity and so did NQ. You know what I mean? So although I like the selling, it is a little bit risky, which is why I'm taking this light. All right, guys. Let me see. Okay. But you guys see what I mean? Like ES is kind of like ES wants to reverse, which it makes sense. But NQ, there's just something about it that like the pressure, the selling pressure that we're seeing, that it's not lining up with ES. And honestly, I feel like we can go a tad bit lower very soon. I really do feel it. Or not. Obviously, we're not trading off feeling. Like I'm seeing it because the selling pressure looks it's still there. It's just very like hesitant. So I'm gonna take the risk very light and just see how this goes. If it goes against us, honestly, not the end of the world. I won't lose too much, but it's always, you know, it's worth the risk. I would say it's definitely worth the risk. Now the previous trade wasn't worth the risk. That one was scary. But yeah, okay. So far you guys see what I mean? We're getting the sell off here. We're getting the sell off. So we're see. I'm just keeping a big eye here on ES. Okay, we're getting the sell. You guys see what I mean? You guys see what I mean? Guys, I'm gonna take some trims off here. Very light. I mean, I'm not really in too much, but I mean, it's a good push down. It's a good push down for a good scalp. So if you guys do want to catch something like that, or you know, get a quick trim there, not a bad idea. Hold up. Okay, let me put this here. Okay. So that was the push down we wanted to see. How are you guys doing? I don't know where you guys entered. Is this a C plus setup? I mean, yeah, it's around there. It's like C, B, whatever. Up 120. Okay, yeah. Don't expect too much from this. I just want to get like this push down at least into this London low here. Like I said, I do feel like we can go lower. The selling pressure looks very nice. It's just we need NQ to be the leading one, and we can't let ES take control. Because the second ES takes control, that's when NQ reverses because it has the reason to reverse. But we could definitely get a quick scalp on the way down to get a good push down. You get what I'm saying? Where's the London low? What price? The London low is at 110. So if you go on the 5 minute, it will be right here. This London low. Well, technically it's at 119, but we're marking out the bounce level. So we're doing 110. All right. Put stop at break even. Yeah, not a bad idea. So remember, guys, this trade was for more of a scalp. So don't, like I said, don't expect much. You know, like what's the saying? It's like be prepared for the worst, or expect the worst, be prepared for the best. I don't know, some shit like that. You guys get the point. But that's what we're doing now. All right. But I want to see because I'm not in too many contracts. Like I said, I wanted a quick scalp just to get a quick push down. But I want to. We can't let ES take control. That's all, because we can expect a sweep very soon. But fingers crossed, we don't get it anytime soon. We'll see. Expect the worst, hope for the best. There we go. Yeah, exactly that. That saying. I'll call it a day thing. Of course, bro. I'm not sure why so quick, but all right. Anyways, so far ES still seems like it wants to hold down, which is a very, very good sign. As long as this candle doesn't flip green, we should be set. All right, guys. Expect the best, hope for the worst. No. We're not going to hope for the worst. We're going to hope for the best, bro. Come on now. All right, taking another trade after this. Well, it depends. If the trade plays out, then if it plays out good, then, you know, I'm going to make my money for the day. But if it's like a quick scalp, you know, nothing crazy, like what, 25 points, 30 points, depending on where you entered, then, you know, I'm kind of going to put out another one. Did you move your stop loss after that trim? No, not yet. I'm still expecting lower, at least 110. Once we see 110, we can move it to break even. But if you, like, by the way, guys, if you guys haven't trimmed already, please do so around here. We're up, you know, a good amount, a good chunk. So yeah, get out of shit, bro. Mark, no, I mean we're you know what I mean. I'm pretty green on this, bro. there's no reason for me to get out yet. Mark out the new. Wait, we have a 5 minute fair value gap. Do we actually? We do. Oh shit, yo, I didn't even notice. Okay. I mean, we're in already, so this fair value gap is not really too important. It's just, you guys see how sellers are hesitant here. That's why like I said, don't expect another 200-point trade. You know what I mean? Don't expect another one today. I mean, you know, hopefully we get one, but I don't think so. I really don't think so. Not with this one. The setup is not all that. But we are getting the selling here. Let's see if we can get one more push down here into 110. We just took out the actual London low. So can we get one more push down here? 7 points. That's all I asked for. ES still looking somewhat decent, which I'm surprised about. I was expecting ES to really like fuck us up today, but apparently it's been helping us. Because NQ is the weak one here. But we'll see. Hold up. I don't know if you guys took trims down there at like, what was it, 117 around there? Not a bad idea. But I want to see like just one more push down here. We should get it because of ES. We shouldn't get it because of NQ. Look at NQ. It's selling off. So why isn't it? I mean, look at ES is selling off. Why isn't NQ following along? Look at this. That's a real question. So yeah, like I said, if you guys haven't taken trims already, be safe. Take some, because obviously you guys see how price is moving. Not the best. So we'll see. Okay, let's see. We're getting the sell-off here. I really want to take trims like right now, but if you guys are hesitating about the trims, just take it now. It's not a bad deal. I mean, we're gonna get. I want to say we're gonna get the price target, but it's I don't know. Like I want to say it, but I don't want to say it just in case it doesn't do it. But it looks like we're gonna get it. You know, are we? I mean, you know, can we sell off a little bit? Dude, I'm gonna trim some here because this price is annoying me like too much. It's annoying me too much. Like this bounce right here, it's just like why? Like why can't we just? Why is it struggling so much to see 110? Like it doesn't want to touch that level at all. But yeah, like I said, guys, I took another set of trims like around 118. I think I got filled there, like 118, 117. So if you guys, I don't know if you guys want to wait for 110, but if you guys want to be safe and just trim 7 points above, it's not a major deal. I mean, it's up to you guys. Like I said, this setup wasn't the best, but I mean, we're still green, so you know who's anyone to complain? Now, can we expect 200 points? I don't know. I mean, you know, if God is on our side, maybe. But anyways, we saw 113 just now, so I don't know if you guys were quick enough for that. But okay, guys. By the way, if you guys trimmed around 115, which is where I got the trims, or 113, or if you get one at 110, moving your stop loss over to break even is not a horrible idea. That's if you guys want to, you know. That's if you guys want to. That's if you guys want to. But I mean, this trade for a quick scalp, honestly, not a bad idea. Is it worth getting back in? Definitely not, bro. Definitely not. Getting in the first place was not even the best, let alone re-entering. They've been cooking lately. Appreciate. Oh, wait. By the way, guys. Let me hold on, bro. Oh my, thank God I took trims. What the fuck was that? What the hell? Okay, well, guys, I am out of the trade at break even on my final contracts. Whatever that was. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Talk about timing. Holy crap. Bro, talk about timing, bro. I don't know. It's just price was hesitating too much to hit that 110 level. And I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna take most of my contracts there. What the hell happened? Did Trump say something? No, I'm pretty sure it wasn't a 5-minute bullish order block, bro. I'm pretty sure it was something with it must have been news with Trump and stuff. But yeah, that one, well, I think I had two. Yeah, I had two contracts. Well, quick $200 trade, not bad. Wait, let me see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put a poll right. Remember, guys, this was a scalp, so if anything, we can probably get one more trade here if the market is good. But let's see. Hold on. Guys, react to. I mean, do this poll real quick. I want to see how many of you guys ended up taking this trade and how many of you guys are sitting green and all that stuff. I'm assuming most of you guys are green, right? Okay, so 50 are green, 60 are green, but 20, 30 people didn't take it. Okay, so I guess some people just hesitated with price, which honestly I don't blame. Now, why the hell are we getting this? Like, what's happening? What's happening? And we missed the IFG. Well, I wasn't gonna take that regardless, because we didn't really have anything crazy here. Took and held at everything. I mean, bro, if you can't trim, you know, or if you can't take profit when you're up that much, I mean, that's kind of something you have to fix on your own. Now, why are we? Let me check Twitter real quick. Let me see, because Trump had to have said something. This is not normal. And if anything, hopefully we can get a trade out of it. But let me see, Trump. Let me see what he said. Latest. I'm not seeing anything. Does anyone know why we pushed up? Let's get one more trade. I'm gonna try to. Right now I'm up 200, so I'm not even too mad. Like, if we don't get anything, I won't be mad at all about it. Let me see. Trump talked with Mexico. The Mexico president. He said it went well. Okay, so that's good on tariffs then. Okay, so that's why the market is pushing up here. Now, obviously, we can't trade any gap here at all. You know what I mean? So we're gonna have to kind of wait for the market to slow down. But, bruh, like, what the fuck is this? This is a 200-point candle, guys. Thank the Lord, I told you guys to trim the second before we did that, bro. Gap fill Oh no, I'm not. Bro. It was amazing, bro. It was amazing. Like, I'm going back now. You guys, okay? Let's be realistic here. Do you guys think we can get a setup around here with this type of price? The market is very uncertain today. Yeah, well, definitely with this news. I'm not gonna lie. I agree with M2. I don't know if we can catch something here. It's too much. It's too much. I'm gonna wait. I kind of want to wait for prices to kind of slow down. Plus, remember, guys, we're a little green today. You know, not the craziest green, but we're green. You know what I mean? We can't complain. I'm up 200 per account, which is not much, but you know, it adds up. It adds up for a quick scalp. Now, Wait, let me check. Another news: tariffs are delayed for 1 month, according to the Mexican president. Yeah, didn't he just talk to him? And he said that everything went well. So I guess that's pretty much why the market is pushing up here. So that's a good sign, I would say. Now let me check here on the poll. Let me see how you guys are doing, or how you guys did with that trade. I'm assuming a lot of you guys were green. At least like 80, 70 to 80 of you guys. Let me see. Oh, 109. Okay, so 109 of you guys took this trade. Beautiful. All right, so 109 of you guys are green. Okay. So if anything, that just kind of makes me more comfortable to the point where I don't really have to force out a trade. But we're gonna see. David, can we inverse this? No, bro. No. Hell no. Hell no. Now, for the people saying red, how the hell are you guys red? Like, we got like at least 35 points on that, and we got our stops at break even. What did you guys do, bro? No, even if you enter late, like, what did you guys do? No trims, but like, well, it was up like 30. That's a good spot to take some profits at least. That's what I did. By the way, let me check up on YouTube. Let's see how they're doing. David, what was my entry? My entry was 150, if I'm not mistaken. Like 148, 150, I think. Somewhere around there. Let me see. I think that's short. I think that risky short ski. Bro, why'd you say it like that, bro? That risky short for about... Oh, you took it on ES. Okay, yeah, that works as well. That works as well. Now, I'm not gonna make you guys a promise that we can catch another trade with this type of price action. We probably could work with something once the market kind of like slows down a little bit. But for now, it's too much. Too much is happening right now. You know what I mean? We need the market to kind of do its thing, you know, do whatever it needs. And then once we get that, we should be good. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. I took that inverse, but I'm red because I messed up the news trade. I decided to enter during... Wait, let me see. During the candle, not before. Which is enter. I would have to see your chart. Caught the pump, bro. Jace, my man, bro. Anyways, but yeah, so far, like I said, most of us at least are green. Especially you know, like me as well. About 200, so I'm not gonna force anything out too much. Went off the light for 5 minutes, but we don't know. Apparently, something with terrorists in Mexico and some stuff like that. But we're gonna find out. Hold on, let me take a subscribe real quick. Did you get the inverse? Why do you guys keep asking about an inverse? No, I'm not even in anything. I'm waiting. I got off for 5 minutes in this, bro. Nah, but we should be green. Like I said, it was a small scalp. I told you guys don't expect much with that trade. It wasn't the best one, but it was definitely something to make a little bit of profit, you know, real quick. So hopefully you guys listened when I said to sell a little bit at least. What is this PA? It's just news, bro. Not much we can do about it. Okay, let me see. Breaking. Mexico's president, whatever that name is, Xian, a good call with US Trump. Let's do some okay. Okay, so yeah, tariffs got delayed for a month, which is really good. So we should expect, honestly, guys, we should expect this gap right here that we created overnight. The whole reason we gapped down in the first place overnight was because of the tariffs. Now that it got delayed by a month or for a month, we should fill this gap by the end of the day. So if you guys want to risk, or if you guys want to, I don't want to say gamble, but if you guys want to trade into this gap above, honestly, looking for longs around this range right here is not a bad idea. I'm pretty sure the market's going to be bullish for the entire day from here on out because it has no reason to sell off. The whole reason it was selling off was mainly because of the tariffs. Now that it got delayed for a month, you know what I mean? It kind of makes sense to start looking for longs. The thing is, for me personally, I wouldn't know where I would want to enter from, you know? Because obviously I don't want to enter now because I want to wait for the market to kind of slow down. But we'll see. We'll see. Wait. Did I say something wrong? Am I sure? Hold on. Yep, okay. Oh, bro, I typed the stop loss wrong. Oops. It's whatever. Okay. Let me catch up with the chat. Let me see what you guys are saying. They don't want to take the inverse. A few people did. But that was risky. That was a risky one. But it did pay at the end of the day. Okay. Imagine if this was bearish, bro. Oh, but if that was bearish, we will be up like at least 250 points, right? Okay, so let's say, bro, we will be up nearly 300 points if that was bearish. Imagine. Maybe taking the 5-minute huge fair value up to the upside. No. Usually when one rule that I don't really say too much is when a fair value gap looks way too big, I don't take it, nor inverse it. Usually I like to have my fair value gap like from 40 to like 100 points max. Anything more is way too much. Anything more is too much. Yeah, I saw. Bro, you're late as up, bro. You're like 10 minutes late. Hopefully people don't. No. Like I typed it wrong. But in the live, obviously you guys knew where I had it at. You know, like you could look at the picture. But the thing is because I have to type so fast, so sometimes I make mistakes here and there, and I don't notice them until after. Are you taking another trade? I'm gonna try to, but no promises. No promises. Let me see. Krabby got off, bro. Yeah, I don't blame him. We're in the group chat right now. He's talking about bad price action. He said, "Bro, this PA is the shit that you lose your ports in. I'm not trading this." I don't blame him. I don't blame him. How did you get such a good entry on the trade? I'll show you. Hold up. Right here. Wait, let me screenshot my entire screen. Look. When did we enter? We entered wait, when did we enter? Right here. Was it here? Yeah, it was like right here. I mean, price was kind of there and it pulled back. If anything, you guys might have gotten a better entry than me, if anything, because we did pull back up to like 160, right? Around there. So we'll see. Bro, Krabby hates any type of PA. I mean, to be fair, bro, we trade a certain type of price. If the price doesn't add up, then you know what I mean. Our trades won't add up, and if our trades don't add up, then you guys attack us. So you know, it's better to, you know. Can you host a talent show for the premium members? Honestly, bro, I'm looking down, bro. I'm down. I wanted to do the thing that TGR was doing, but knowing you guys, that shit would be my call of the day, another 160, but need to pass these evals. Okay, wait, are you up 160 on the PA accounts or on the eval accounts? Because if you're up 160 on the PAs, honestly, bro, I know it's nothing crazy, but like if you compound the wins, bro, they add up like crazy. Trust me. No way, someone, bro. I forgot that name, bro. I looking forward to it. Too lazy, bro. That's what trade wars should be too funny. That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm looking down to run it. Anyways, how's that? I'm going back. I'm going back again this month, but I'm going for one day because I have to go to North Carolina again on the 20th, which I think is on a weekend. So you guys don't have to worry about me not trading or anything. So yeah, it's because it's my cousin's birthday. So I gotta go, you know, celebrate with her. I'm going to work. Thank you. Let me see. I made 4K on my live accounts today, but I lost on the PAs due to the news trade. No problem. My error, not yours. Thanks for it. Of course, bro. I got you. And bro, have an amazing day, bro. Have an amazing day. Let me see if I can get Krabby on. Hold up. By the way, wait. Hold up. How many people were in the live today? Because it was like 600. Bro, weren't we at like 450 like last week? How the hell? Bro, by the way, guys. Well, by the way, guys. If you guys haven't taken, look, a little plug here, a little plug, because you know I gotta do what I gotta do. Look, if you guys haven't taken advantage of the 80% off discount on Apex, guys, it's gonna end in 3 days, 2-3 days around there. So, you know, let me see. When I add my stop loss on TradingView, it doesn't appear on TradingView like it used to. I used to be able to remove the pure stop loss and move it. I'm not sure if this is related to me switching to PA. If anything, try logging out and logging back in. It'll probably work. All right. It's 60% off, bro. You guys take advantage of those discounts like crazy. You guys don't understand. Is that 60% off, bro? um, he's selling out, bro. Anyways, okay. Can you pass evals with one big trade? Yeah, you can. You can. Should you? No. I mean, you should probably trade it like a real, like a business, you know. So you know, but let me see. Do you think it's gonna continue up? Yes, I do think the charts are gonna be going up all day today. Like I said, guys. Okay, hear me out. Once again. This gap right here. The whole reason this gap was created last night was because Trump was applying the tariffs. Right now that he talked to the Mexican president and he worked something out. You know, the news came out that the call went good and everything, and they delayed tariffs for 1 month. That's a good sign, right? So the whole reason the market sold off in the first place was because of tariffs. Now that it's getting delayed for a month, and obviously you guys see the market going up, we're gonna fill this gap, right? And then once the tariffs get back on track, then we're probably gonna get another gap and then do the same exact thing that what we did here. Does that make sense? Hopefully, fingers crossed that made sense. Is the discount for the first for the 6% off? It's permanent. It's permanent. But the thing is, it shouldn't take any more than a month, to be honest. Yeah, it's permanent. Yeah. So it's 80% off like every rebill. Oh, the Discord. Oh, no, the first month. I always do the first month, but I do them like frequently, so you guys can keep catching them. You know. Anyways, let me see. By the way, here, let me kind of type something up here. Give me 1 second, guys. But in the meantime, I think I could probably give you guys a setup. There's no promises, because obviously the market is moving crazy right now. But here, let me kind of put this over here. There you go. I've been asking you to renew, bro. How many accounts do you recommend to start with? Okay, if you want to do copy trading, 3 to 5 is not a bad idea. If you're new to trading, do 1. Obviously, don't bite off more than you could chew. And then as you go on, let me see. David doesn't even care about what happens to the economy. He just cares about how it's gonna affect the markets. I mean, bro, we're here to make money. You know what I mean? Look, we can't control that. You know what I mean? Don't stress about something you can't control. Just control it with the markets. 20 accounts, David guarantees. No, but don't put my name and guarantees in the same sentence, bro. Let me see. Do you think options is a good way to make money in the market? Not really. There's better ways to make money in the market. Way better. And take it from someone that made a living from options. I traded for like 2 years, I think. Two-ish years. How can I get the accounts without, bro? I'm not even gonna read that. Bro. Yo, Blastoise, can I buy multiple funded and wait until I'm comfortable? Yeah, bro, yeah. There's no time limit on those funded accounts. Options is out, bro, yeah. Mainly because of theta. Banks are blowing accounts left and right. Break and retest off. Oh, yeah, we don't trade that. At least I don't trade that. Yeah, Blast, can I re-answer? Bro, now you guys are just asking super questions, bro. Is Top Step better than Apex? In my opinion, no. I feel like Apex is a lot like better. It's built better as well. You know what I mean? I can, in my opinion, it's better, but they're both just as good. Sorry. Oh wait, bro, you weren't trolling? Okay, then no. You shouldn't read your answer. I thought you were trolling, bro. Anyways, okay. Obviously, now with the market kind of slowing down and everything, would you guys be down to come back later? I mean, to be fair, we are green. You know what I mean? The thing is this, I want the market to slow down going into the PM session to see if we can catch one more trade. Obviously, no promises anything or anything, but you know what I mean? I mean, we are a little green today. What's later? I don't know. Just whenever a setup comes up. It could be in 5 minutes. It could be in an hour. It could be tomorrow. I'm red 330. Bro, you'll be fine, bro. I don't know how, but you'll be fine. Hey David, how would you go about marking DOLs for a big gap down in the Tokyo session? I would say just do Tokyo session. We have a Tokyo session? Wait, what? Isn't it London? Oh, bro, you're talking about Asia. My bad. Bro, I had to bring further. Anyways, bro, just mark out the highs and lows. Just mark out the highs and lows. How do you feel about this massive fair value gap? No, don't trade it. Don't even look at it. Don't even look at it. I'm new to this. Do you ever go live in the PM? Not often. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. Like rarely. Like rarely. But you know, I'm gonna be as honest. Like if the setup was really good, yeah, sure, I'll do it. Let me see. What sizing should I go? Should I do to passive funded in a month? Well, obviously it depends on the account that you have, but I would say about 10 contracts. It's not bad. 10 micros, not minis. But yeah. So in the meantime, guys, I'm gonna say for now, you know, I would say get off a little bit and come back later if the market, you know, picks up. Because right now it's kind of getting a little bit ugly. And we don't really have too much of a reading here. That we can really work with anytime soon. So there's no point of us, you know, kind of just wasting time here. So I'm gonna say to get off. Bro. Like, bro. What the hell is that? Like, me trying to impress the hus with my funded accounts. Bro. That's my cue to get off, bro. I'm getting off. Fuck that. Is it gonna be commentary? No, I'll probably do alerts. Now, the thing I'm gonna say is, do not, you know what I mean? There's no promises. Regardless, we're green on the day. So we don't have to force anything out if the market doesn't give us anything. You know what I mean? But for now, I want to kind of get off the markets, give it some time to kind of slow down. You can, bro. So yeah. Anyways, guys, get off the charts, get off the voice. Come back later. If anything, I'll be active in the chat if I see something. But in the meantime, I'm not trading this. Not yet. Until something comes up. You know, that's very, very clear. All right. You said we'll close the gap. Hopefully. We should close the gap by today. I mean, we have all the buying coming in and everything, and we have the reason to close the gap because of the tariffs. But no promises. If it's not today, then it's probably tomorrow. But we're like 100 points away. It's not going to be that hard to get rid of it. All right. What stop loss should I set if I go for longs? Just do like 30 points. But yeah. Is closing the gap a good sign? Yeah, because it creates more liquidity in the market that we can use for tomorrow or for this week. All right. But yeah, guys, start getting off, get off the charts, take a little bit of a break. If anything, if I see something during lunch hour or during the PM session, I'll get back on or I'll just type it out. And then we take the trade from there. All right, guys. 300 points is 300 ticks, right? No, 300 points is, or 30 points, my bad. 30 points is 120. 120 ticks. Right? 120? Yeah, 120 right here. All right, bro, take care. Of course, I got you guys. David, does Fortnite help you become? Is that what it means? FN? Yep. I mean, I guess, you know, not really. But anyways, all right, guys, I'm getting off. All right, guys. Hopefully, I'll see you guys later. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember, at 10. Tomorrow we have news. So, you know. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the chat then, all right? Get off the charts. You know, it's not worth trading yet. At least it's too ugly. So just give the market some time to kind of just slow down. All right, guys? But yeah, in the meantime, I'll be active with you guys in the chat. All right? Peace out, guys. Take it easy. And if anything, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Worst case. All right? Peace out, guys. Peace. And YouTube, guys. By the way, I don't know if you guys have been taking advantage of the 60% off premium discount throughout all this entire weekend. But for those that don't know, or for those that have been living under a rock, guys, if you guys do want to join the premium with 60% off and get access to everything with like the live trading, the alerts, the community, my entire strategy, everything that you guys need to master trading and, you know, pretty much make money in the markets with me, it's all in the premium. So if you guys are interested in joining, guys, click the first link in the description, which I'll put it here in the chat. And use code 60, which is 60 for 60% off any premium upgrade. All right. So if you guys are interested, it'll give you access to everything. This includes, once again, live trading with zero delay, real-time alerts, so you guys can take it whenever. My entire strategy and my entire community with about 600, 700 people. So, you know, if you guys do want to grow as a trader with a community that cares and everything, this is the place to join, right? And by the way, guys, do not forget to take advantage of the 80% off Apex discount for the funded accounts, guys. It is a no-brainer to get these accounts. They're as cheap as they can get. All right, remember, 80% off using code BLASTOISE, BLASTOISE, will get you 80% off any funded account over on Apex. All right, so make sure you guys take advantage of that. All right, here, let me send you guys the link over in the chat. It'll be this one right here. Right, all the discounts right now, we're going crazy with the discounts, right? So it can't get any cheaper than this. All right, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Hopefully you guys made money with me with this quick scalp. It's about 45 points, not too bad, nothing crazy, but we'll take it. It's green. We're up to I'm up at least about $200 on the day on 10 accounts, so about 2 grand. You guys watch me take it live, so yeah, I mean, there's no excuse to not be green today. All right, guys. But in the meantime, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. EST. All right, guys, take it easy.